Hello everyone! Welcome to our YouTube channel. Again, this is Teacher JM and today we're going to learn about English 3 4th quarter week 6.
So let's learn new things today. Are you ready? That's great!
Our topic for English 3 4th quarter week 6 is all about vowel diphthongs. First, let's read the objective. In this lesson, you are expected to read words, phrases, sentences, and stories containing vowel diphthongs OY, OI, OU, and OW. In reading, understanding how to read words is very important. In the previous lesson, where you can check our YouTube channel for the separate topic about vowel digraphs, you have learned that these vowel digraphs are combinations of vowels to make a single sound. Now, let's read the poem in the next slide. Are you ready? Let's begin. The title of our poem today is Roy and His Clown Toy by Glenda A. Capistrano. Roy has a clown toy. He named it Bound. It has brown coiled hair and big round eyes. It's wearing a blouse with a black tie. His friends join him to play with Bound. They enjoy the day having Bound. Now, let's answer the following questions. What are the underlined words in the poem? Can you read the underlined words with me? Let's start. Roy, clown, toy, bound, brown, coiled, round, blouse, join, enjoy. Number 2. What sounds are produced in each word? For the word Roy, we have OY or OY. For clown, we have OW or OW. For toy, we have OY, which sounded as OY. For bound, we have OU, or sounded as OW. For brown, we have OW, that sounded as OW. For coiled, we have OI, which sounded as OI. For round, we have OU, which sounded as OW. For blouse, we have OU, which sounded as OW. For join, we have OI, which sounded as OI. And for enjoy, we have OY, which sounded as OY. Number 3. How do you call these sound classifications? These are called vowel diphthongs. Vowel diphthongs are sounds formed by combining two vowels in a single syllable. The sound begins as one vowel sound and moves towards another. The most common diphthongs in the English language are the letter combinations OY, OI, OU, and OW. This time, let's read the following words, phrases, and sentences. OY, which sounded as OI, toy, boy, soy, enjoy, destroy. OI, which sounded as OI, oil, soil, coil, toil, boil. OU, which sounded as ow, out, mouth, cloud, blouse, house. OW, which sounded as ow, owl, brown, crown, frown, town. Now, let's read the phrases with words with vowel diphthongs. Toil the soil, join the team, boil the water, a brown round toy, a pretty gold crown, a blue cloud, taste the soy, count the coin, enjoy the show, boy and his toy. Now, let's read the sentences with words that have vowel diphthongs. The farmers toil the soil. Roy joined the sports team. I enjoyed watching the clowns show. My father gave me a brown round toy. The princess is wearing a pretty gold crown. Now, let's do this. Let's do some exercises. Let's read the directions. Label each picture with the correct name. However, the name of the picture should contain a vowel diphthongs. Are you ready? Let's start. Now, let's answer. What is in the first picture? Very good, it's a soy sauce. How about on the second picture? Great job, it's a soil. How about the third picture? Awesome, it's a mouse. How about the fourth picture? Nice, it's a house. And the fifth and last picture is great job, it's an owl. There you go, everyone. I hope that you learned a lot about our topic for today. It's all about vowel diphthongs.
Thank you for watching. This is Teacher JM, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. You can also support our YouTube channel by clicking like button, sharing this video, and putting a comment for the content that you want us to cover. Again, thank you and see you next video.